Alright, Slim and Uncle Bob are racing four-wheeler cars. I'm on this. I can't really touch the pedals because I'm too big. But Selena's on her newest little used car that Mama got from her co-worker at Speedway. Ready, you want to race?
Get off your bike, Bob.
Get off of it?
Yeah. Because you're too big to do.
I am. But let's race some more. I could race. Gentlemen, start your engines. Ha!
Where did he go? Where did he go? I can't go.
Oh, let's try it. Use the pegs, or pedals. Or I keep saying pegs. Use the pedals. One at a time, and then you'll go. You'll be moving along on Moonlight Bay. We'll race all the way over to the car.